Julia here from Revel Realty, and I have a mortgage. Let's face it, most homeowners do. Mortgages can be painful too, especially at the beginning, because having a high principal, the amount that you owe, means that there's a lot of interest to be paid. With home prices being what they are, which is high, there's no other option. But you may have more options than you think. Let's be real, when getting a mortgage, there's so many options. Different lenders, mortgage products, and so many choices about how and when to pay. Oftentimes, this overwhelm leads home buyers to just want to get it over with and move on. But this can actually cost you money that you could be saving instead. If you bought a home or refinanced within the peak interest rate years of late, phone your lender. I know it sounds like a drag, but I bet you wouldn't think so if you ended up saving enough money to go on a really nice vacation. I recently came across an article in the Globe and Mail by Salmaan Farooqui that included an immensely helpful example that I would love to share here. The homeowner had previously signed a 4-year mortgage term at an interest rate of 6.09%. To break their mortgage, they would need to pay a $10,000 penalty upfront. It sounds less than ideal, right? But there's a silver lining, which is they could sign a new mortgage at 4.79%. This is where every little bit counts when it comes to home finance. So throughout the 35-month term remaining on the mortgage, they would actually save over $25,000 in interest. Once you factor in the $10,000 penalty, that's over $15,000 in savings still. So I have to ask, have you ever considered breaking your mortgage? If you haven't, you're with the majority. If you have, I'm impressed. Even contemplating such a thing takes guts. But now you can see with this example that it could actually be more money savvy. And depending on your situation, it might be worth doing. Now, I'm not saying you should rush out to your lender or bank and make a big change to your finances. Everybody's financial picture is different. The key here is to empower yourself by understanding your situation and your options. If this sort of thing freaks you out, schedule a quick annual check-in with your lender. This way, you know it's coming, you don't have to initiate it every year, and it becomes a habit. It's really a win-win that can save you money, or at least improve your financial genius. I hope this new year brings you the courage to better understand your financial picture. Hopefully, it will save you money for the things that matter to you most. If you ever have any questions about the real estate market in Ottawa or Hamilton, or in Ontario in general, or questions about historic homes, I would love to hear from you. Feel free to get in touch. And thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. Okay. Cute. Let me stop the video. It's so neat. I'm filming a finance, obviously housing video, and I just can hear the ice crackling behind me. There was no ice here yesterday, and now you can see it's forming, and you can just hear it coming together. It's so cool.